In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen share Google Slides in Zoom while still being able to see your presenter notes. If you're an educator, corporate trainer, or anyone who loves sharing information via presentations, this guide is for you. Let's make sure your next Zoom presentation runs smoothly so you can keep track of your notes without your audience seeing them. To start, head over to Google Slides. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you have the option to select an existing presentation or start a new one. For those creating a new presentation, decide whether you want to open a blank presentation or use one of Google's many themes. These themes can give your presentation a polished, professional look right from the start. Once you have your presentation open, take a moment to review your slides and ensure your presenter notes are ready. Keep in mind, these notes will be invaluable as you deliver your presentation. They allow you to stay focused on your points while maintaining eye contact with your audience on Zoom. With your slides prepared, let's shift our attention to Zoom, which you'll use to share your presentation. Open the Zoom application on your computer and start a new meeting by clicking the Start a New Meeting button. This action will take you to the meeting interface where all your Zoom options are available, including screen sharing functionalities. In this Zoom meeting, head to the toolbar located at the bottom of the screen and click on the Share Screen icon. A window will pop up, showing all the different windows you have open on your computer. Find the window with your Google Slides presentation and select it. After making your selection, click the Share button at the bottom right of the pop-up window. You are now officially sharing your presentation with your audience on Zoom. From their side, participants will only see the slides, while you get the added advantage of seeing the presenter view, including your notes. This feature allows you to guide your audience seamlessly through your presentation without missing any key points from your notes. To wrap things up, using this technique not only enhances your ability to deliver structured presentations, but also keeps your talking points organized. Whether you're teaching a class, leading a business meeting, or hosting a workshop, this method can help improve your effectiveness and professionalism during remote presentations. Thanks for joining this training today. I hope you find it useful in elevating your future presentations.